Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and Windows. Connect the primary monitor first and attach the second to an available GPU port using the correct adapter. Once done, power on each monitor and set its input to the connected port. Make sure Windows has the latest updates and your graphics drivers are installed so the system can recognize additional screens. You do this now to avoid driver conflicts and to ensure each display reports its native resolution when we move on to arranging them. Now configure display arrangement in Windows Display Settings. Open Settings, go to System then Display, and click Detect if a monitor is missing. Identify each screen so numbers match physical placement, then drag the virtual monitors to mirror your desk layout. Set individual resolutions and scaling to keep text sharp, and pick Extend to increase workspace or Duplicate for mirroring. Make sure to apply changes and test with a window dragged across screens so you confirm the transition is smooth, and cursor movement aligns with the physical monitors. Finish by fine-tuning and addressing problems. Set your primary display, adjust orientation if one monitor is vertical, and select the optimal refresh rate in advanced settings so motion looks correct. If a screen shows no signal or flickers, power cycle the monitor, reset cables, swap ports, and test a different cable. If that fails, roll back or reinstall the GPU driver. For color and performance tweaks, open the GPU control panel. This final step polishes image quality and ensures multi-display apps behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.